There may be times when you need to add, delete, or move pages inside your document. First off, you have a tab on the left side of your screen which allows you to increase the real estate of your page by opening and closing it, which is handy when you are teaching students or your students on a Chromebook need more space. When the tab is closed, you can still navigate between your pages on the bottom left of your screen. To add a page, just simply click on the plus sign, but first you should choose where you would like to add it. I would like to add the page between 2 and 3, so I'm going to click on page 2, then click on the plus, and my page landed where I would like it. If it didn't land where I like it, I can simply click and drag it to where I want. If I would like to delete pages, I simply click on the X and the page is deleted. I can also copy pages from one document to another. Perhaps I would like to combine different documents to make a review sheet. I'm going to click the page that I would like, click Ctrl+C, jump over to my other document, and choose where I would like it to go. Click Ctrl+V, and you'll see that my page is now landed where I would like it. Be sure to save your document before you send it to your students.